In the first video, we already discussed about how to build ground, wall, player, and a player control scripts. Now, in the second video, we will discuss about how to make point or pickups and how to go to another scene, or it's the next stage concept. First, we will copy all of the hierarchy from the first video and we click copy, and before that we click file, new scene. Okay, save. Now we're in a new scene. We delete the main camera and the directional light, and then we paste copy file before. And now save the scene first with menu name, and we create a folder to make it easier called scripts, and we can put all of the scripts in that folder. And after that, we'll create how to go to the next stage with Sphere, and let's name it start game with is triggered, and let's set the sphere until it's viewed on the scene, and then scale it for the sensor. Let's remove the mesh filter, remove component and the mesh renderer, and we can create the 3D object text. Put it nearer to start game. And edit text with new game. Put it clearly in the center and really near with the sphere start game, and more scale it. Okay, now let's add text. Start game tag and save. After that we use start game sphere tag with start game. And now file, build setting. We're setting the scene so the first scene can connect to the other scene. Yes, just drag it, and that's all. Now we edit the code with this code on trigger enter, color other, and there is a if condition, so we just copy and paste in this code. When the start game in this code, when the player touch the start game tag, so the scene will move to math question, just like that. And after that, save and set the speed for the player controller. Okay, and it moved to the math question. And then after that, we will make a point or pickups with cube. We name it, we set the position to 0, 0, 0 first, and after that rename with pickup. Okay, turn off the player so you can easily manage the pickup. Okay, and then set the scale for the cube to 1.5, 1.5, and 1.5, and the rotation to 45, 45, and 45. Okay, and for the position it's up to you, but it must be triggered first. After that, we create a color for the point with new material pick up, and then we set the color to yellow or whatever you want. Okay, and then drag the pick up material to pick up object and copy the pick up until 5 pick up and drag wherever you want, and create empty to make the folder pickups and put them all of the pickup to the pickups folder. Okay, that's all for the second video. Next, we will discuss about how to make animation for pickups and controlling the pickups.